Okay, welcome to the audit data analytics class. So in this class, we have two parts. In the first part, we will discuss about audit data analytics and what are the different types of analytics. And in the second part, we will discuss about the Benford's law and we will have a practical lab on Benford's law. Okay, I will show you how to calculate the numbers and how to present the Benford's law data. This can be applied to the auditing function to increase coverage. Okay, you can cover more area of the audit while reducing time the auditor dedicates to the audit tasks. Okay, then audit data analytics can help to improve the nature, timing, and extent of audit procedures. Okay, and the nature represents why we perform audit procedures, and extent indicates how much we can test, and timing tells us how often the procedure should be run. Timing means how often you will be running the audit procedures. So the first thing is we need to identify the problem. So what is the audit department trying to achieve using the data analytics, and do you need to analyze the segregation of duties to test whether the internal control are operating effectively? Are you looking for operational inefficiencies such as duplicate payments of invoices? So these are just the examples of different problems that you need to identify before going to analyze. Okay, and are you trying to identify phantom employees or vendors? Then are you trying to collect evidence that you are complying with specific regulations? Are you trying to test account balances to tie them to the financial statements? So now you are done with the identification of the problems, and your second step would be you should master the data. Okay, so the audit data standards provide a general overview of the basic data auditors will evaluate, including notable tables and fields. So you need to master the data. And second, the third phase, you will perform the test plan. Okay, you will identify what kind of test you will apply. Okay, so perform the test plan. Common data analytics procedures can be found in computer assisted auditing techniques, CATs, and perform the test plan. So there are many different types of test plans. So descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, diagnostic, prescriptive. Okay, then you can do different groups analysis, and based on the group analysis you can perform the age analysis. You can do the sorting, summary statistics, sampling, example audit procedure. So you can calculate the G score, whether the companies are going to bankrupt zone. You can identify based on those, and Benford's law, drill down, clustering. So there are many things. So you can do the stratification, groups, data by categories. You can perform the regression, probability, classification, and sentiment analysis. We will do this one. Okay. And then these are the examples of prescriptive analytics. What if analysis, applied statistics, artificial intelligence, example audit procedure. Okay, and different models will produce different results. For example, high risk transactions, users with conflicting rules. So communicate the insights. Results may appear in an audit dashboard and may be included in an audit evidence. Track outcomes, we need to do that. So evaluate detection and resolution of exceptions. Periodically evaluate the procedures for effectiveness. So what do descriptive analytics look like? Okay, so this one, descriptive analytics are useful for sorting and summarizing data to create a baseline or point of reference for more advanced analytics. So before going to do more advanced analytics, you need to do the descriptive analytics. Okay, Let's have an example of age analysis. So you can see that age analysis determines the likelihood of payment. So basic Excel formulas. So see that days outstanding, aging date, and order date. This one, and buckets if aging date. So this is actually done in case of accounts receivable. Okay, age of accounts receivable, and sorting the values by smallest or largest, and you can calculate the different descriptive statistics, say the mean, median, minimum, maximum, count, sum,